Okay. You see anything, Justin?
Hey, there's a mama robin feeding her babies.
I see them. Look, 3 frogs sitting on a log.
Yep, right over there. I wonder what other animals I can find. What was that?
Maybe it was Big Goldie.
Big Goldie? The ginormous goldfish? Have you ever seen him?
Oh, only a glimpse. Then, poof, he was gone.
I want to see him too.
Well, you keep looking, Justin, and let me know if you see anything.
Hey, Justin, what you doing?
I'm looking for Big Goldie, the giant goldfish.
Giant goldfish? Oh, where? I love giant goldfish. We have a lot in common, you know.
Dad says he's hard to find. I thought I saw a splash by those reeds. Come on.
We're coming, Big Goldie.
Here, Big Goldie.
Yoo-hoo, Big Goldie. Come out, wherever you are. Big Goldie is pretty hard to find.
We'll find him, Squidgy. We are really good animal finders.
Yeah, we're the best animal finders.
We're the best animal finders in the whole